Yeah, good day guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blockchain account and link your wallet to your Boosper so that you can get paid through it and how you can sell it. So just go to your browser, then you go to type. Don't worry about the address, I will leave the link in the description below. Go to blockchain.com, and then you go to get a free wallet. Get a free wallet. So here you enter your email. Make sure you enter a valid email. Then enter your password and confirm your password. And then you tick here, you agree with the terms, and then you click on continue. So you enter any email you have. Then you enter your password. Make sure your password is very secured, because this blockchain, this blockchain. This blockchain, they don't save your password, so make sure it's very secured and you can remember it anytime. So you click on continue. And they will send you a message. They will send you a valid verification message to your email to verify. So you click on continue and then go to your email. Yeah, so this is an email they sent. Yeah, they sent me. So you click on yes, this is my mail to verify it, and this is your wallet. That 3DC3FOS7 is your wallet ID. That is what you use together with your password to log in to your blockchain. So when you click on it, it will take you to your blockchain to log in. So use the ID and the password to log in. So you can see here I have this. So you click on log in. So this is how to create it, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how you can link it to your Boosper. Thank you very. I will leave the description below for you to create it. Thank you very much.